So we talked about monosaccharides. Now we are going to talk about disaccharides and polysaccharides. So monosaccharides, we talked about, these were the smallest unit. Now combining those unit, bigger units can be formed. These are the building blocks. Monosaccharides were the building blocks of a great carbohydrate. Carbohydrates, for your basic information, a single molecule of carbohydrate gives off 4 kilocalories of energy. Just so you know that. Now, taking that aside, what were we talking about? We were talking about polysaccharide or disaccharide, right? So, disaccharide means two molecules. So, when two glucose molecules come together, they form something. Glucose and galactose form something else, and galactose and fructose form something else, and fructose and fructose or sucrose or sucrose form something else. So what were we talking about here? We were talking about disaccharide, right? So these are the group of monosaccharides, and they are bonded together by glycosidic bond. This is the bond which bonds two monosaccharides together to form a disaccharide. And after that comes the polysaccharide. Polysaccharide is nothing but long chains of carbohydrates, and the basic thing that we are eating, like any type of wheat, any type of flour, any carb material that we are eating, those are all polysaccharide. We are not eating a small unit. They are all built up of mono and disaccharides, so that you should know. Now, these are very simple things that you should know. After that comes lipids, and lipids are one of those things which provides a lot of energy. These are also a natural shock absorbent, as they are adipose type of tissue. They are shock absorbent. They are present everywhere. Every vital part covers a part of shock absorbent. Like our heart is covered by pericardium, so it is protected. Our brain is covered by something else, it has conjugation on itself, so it is protected there as well. But our kidney, it does not have any sort of protection. It is one of the most exposed thing, because it does not have the support of the ribs. Nothing is helping it to be shock absorbed or it to be protected. So, to prevent injuries for the kidneys, our body has developed the adipose system, and this system brings adipose tissue around the kidney. So, whenever shock, shock is given to that body, then it will absorb the shock and prevent the kidney from getting damaged. Similarly, on similar note, fat, adipose tissue are the good absorbent of heat. So they absorb heat very well, and they keep the heat. They do not lose it very effectively. They do not lose it very fastly. So the heat is kept inside them for a long period. And due to this process, their body is very keeping the heat to itself and making itself warm. So that's one thing for those as well, because adipose tissue various serves various purposes. It stores the heat, it absorbs various type of shocks and many thing else. So lipids are one of the most important one. So lipids are also simple lipids, complex lipid and derived lipids. What are lipids? These are alcoholic groups of fatty acid. Fatty acid with alcoholic groups are called as lipids. Now, single molecule is just a alcoholic group with fatty acid on alcoholic group. Now, what is complex is just nothing but two alcoholic and phosphoric two group, that is fatty acid group and alcoholic group, combined two groups together with a phosphoketosic bond. So phosphoketosic bond forms in between them to keep these two lipids together, and this is complex lipid. Now, what is a derived lipid? You might be asking. So, derived lipid is nothing but those lipids which are derived. Derived in the sense any other molecule is added at the end of the alcohol. It could be a halogen, it could be an amine, it could be a chlorine. Anything could be added there, and it will lead to formation of those type of thing. Now, inside these biomolecules that we are studying, there are various type of things also there present, which are enzymes. Enzymes are very effective for our body, and we will learn about enzyme in the upcoming video. Thank you.